边 so that camera 会挡住，你会挡住 from the ground。啊，你不是后面看到啊 ？Yes, okay. The same line as the bench, yeah. Okay, 一直乖乖待着呢。How do we know that the chair doesn't understand us? Maybe in alternate reality it does understand us.
It doesn't breathe.
That's what you thought.
That's what science thinks.
I'm not a scientific person. I'm a magical person. In my world, everything is living, including the chair and the piano.
The fact that I'm sitting on
And
one.
and the bench that you're sitting on. It's okay, because it's a performance art. What you need to do is you must be able to fool your audience into believing that you got everything right. 所以是你弹对，是他听错，知道吗？ Really? That's the whole trick all the time. The title is What the Professionals Never Told You. Secrets that you never know.